Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Tatweer Media channel and I am your host Shaista Naz. Today we are present at ARB Insurance Brokers, which is a corporation operating from Abu Dhabi. Soon we will be in conversation with General Manager Mr. Mutaz Al Faqi. First, let's talk about the functionality of this corporation. They provide life insurance and general insurance to its policy holders. Talking about the general insurance, they are covering the motor or vehicle, medical and health and professional insurance. Even for the unrivalry situation like war or terrorism, professional risk or natural disasters. ARB Insurance claims to reimburse or protect you against predefined risk and perils. You are covered. Let's welcome our guest, Mr. Mutaz Al Faqi. So, sir, what is your vision for next few years? And if someone wants to approach you to avail your services, so what is the medium of contact?
My name is Mutaz Al Faqi. I am working as a GM of ARB Insurance Broker. Actually, our vision for our company is like after 5 years or 10 years, inshallah, we are trying to expand. We are trying to expand. First of all, we are planning to open the branch in Dubai. Then next level, we will be having all the Emirates branches, inshallah. Then we will expanding for the other countries. Now, actually, we are working for the reinsurance to be having support from our side. Like as we are working with the insurance companies, we will work also with the London market in the future. Second things about the clients, they are most welcome. Anyone who like to join us, we have a good services. We take us like an advisor for them, and they have 2 channels to reach us. Either through our website. Actually, there is like hyperlink is there, or they can approach us direct. There is a mobile number is there or landline. Just they can talk us or approach us through by the phone, and we visit them at whatever they want. All kind of insurance we are work for it, medical, motor, general engineering. So just give us the call, inshallah, and we'll be there for you to meet you.
Now we are in conversation with Mr. Naveed Qureshi, who is HR and Operation Manager. Let's welcome to our guest. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much for your time. Sir, first of all, tell us about little bit yourself and how did you choose this insurance industry?
Tell you about myself, where should I start from? I was born and brought up here in this beautiful country, and I started off in the field of HR. I was an HR coordinator in one of the construction companies, and with the time somehow this how do I say that the interest developed in insurance. Okay. So and then slowly I got into the field of insurance first, then I did some certifications in the field of insurance.
So your company was established in 2001 and now it's 2023. So over these 22 years, how do you see the progress of your company?
Well, we started off in 2001, and we started off with 2 employees. Over the time period, our company's strength grew in terms of employees, in terms of revenue, and now we are a team of 40 plus employees, and alhamdulillah, revenue has grown. Our profits have grown, overall the portfolio has grown over the period.
As we know that your company reimburse against the general insurance and life insurance. So sir, tell us or explain us about the reinsurance also.
Well, we are in a plan to start the reinsurance. We haven't started yet, but we are, it's in the pipeline. We are already discussing with the reinsurers. We are already discussing with the people who are involved into reinsurance, and inshallah in the coming time we'll be introducing reinsurance in our company.
Okay, so your policy holders must be satisfied from your schemes and policies and the degree of protection you are provided. So how do you make it sure that they are satisfied?
See, while onboarding a client or any customer, we are being very transparent with them from the day one itself. That it's not that we are just selling them a brand and we just close our doors to them. No, while onboarding them, we explain to them each and every point which needs to be told to the client. Okay, so and while the whole year we are there. We make them understand that we are there for you during the whole policy year. We'll protect you wherever it is needed, in whichever type of insurance it is required, and whatever service is required to protect you.
Okay.
So 24/7 we are available to our clients.
Okay.
It's not that during the working hours only we are taking their calls and we are entertaining them. No, we are there for them 24/7.
So either it's a lump sum payment or they pay it over periods of time. Do you have both services?
We provide payment terms to our clients depending on their portfolio, depending on whether we are onboarding an individual client or we are dealing with a corporate client.
Okay.
So once it comes to the corporate client, for sure we are on 99.9% cases we are giving them payment terms, giving the current market scenarios. Once it comes to the individuals, in certain cases we do provide them payment terms, or they will have to pay a lump sum amount at the inception of the policy, whichever policy.
And what kind of services are they? Insurance are they?
We have got
lump sum payment.
no, we have got general insurance. We have different types actually. There is general insurance, there is medical insurance, and there is motor insurance. In general insurance, which is normally known in the market as commercial insurance.
Okay.
So there are different types of insurances within general insurance. We have property all risk, we have contractors all risk. Several types of insurances are there, and depends on the demand of the client.
Okay.
Then we have got medical and motor.
Okay.
Then medical, same thing. In medical and motor also, we have corporate and we have got individual insurances.
Okay. How long does it take to provide an approval for the medical insurance?
Normally, in normal scenarios, it takes not more than 5 months.
Okay.
Because I've been sitting with the TPS myself, I have seen the approvals myself. Unless and until if there is further clarification required by the healthcare provider or the TPA, it doesn't take much time.
So if there is any case of emergency, medical
emergency, no. Emergency within, like once you enter the hospital, as per the law of Abu Dhabi,
Okay.
emergency, pure emergency, it should be entertained straight away.
Okay.
And approval can be obtained within next 24 hours.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in emergency cases, it is not required, but in normal scenarios, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes.
And sir, talking about the motor or vehicle insurance, what is your policy for that?
Motor insurance, while onboarding the client, till the end of the policy, we are there to service our clients.
Okay.
Like if, God forbid, if an accident happens, we are there with them till they receive their car back or their vehicle back repaired, well repaired. We coordinate with the workshops, we coordinate with the insurance companies, and we get the things done.
Okay. So, sir, in the end of this discussion, just tell us about your achievements, or if you want to mention the partners.
As I mentioned to you earlier, that we started off in 2000, we became operational in 2000, we grew with 2 employees, we are now at with a strength of 40 plus employees, with a sales team, with different departments, with a claims department. So our portfolio has increased. We started off say 100,000 portfolio, we are sitting at 90 million plus portfolio as of now. So Alhamdulillah, we have grown and we are growing with the passage of time. We survived during COVID, when lots of companies did not. So we survived handsomely actually during that time period, and Alhamdulillah we've done good.
This was Mr. Naveed Qureshi with us in conversation. Thank you so much for watching our program.